Good morning, students, and once again, welcome back to your science class. Today, we'll start with a new chapter that is light, shadow, and reflection. We can see objects all throughout the day, that is, from the time we open our eyes in the morning to the time we sleep at night. We see various things around us. We observe their colors, shapes, sizes, everything. In the daytime, the light of the sun is sufficient for us to see the objects very clearly. But what about in the night? That is when the sun sets. It becomes dark and we can't see things clearly or properly. So, what do we do at that time? We switch on the bulbs or the tube lights, and that is how we can see. So, when the light from these sources, that is, which are the source, it can be a candle, a bulb, or a tube light. When the light from these sources fall on an object and then they travel back to our eyes. This is how we can see any of the object. That means when you switch on the light rays goes and hits a particular object and it gets reflected back to our eyes. And that is why we can see the things. And the same if it is totally a dark room. You are not able to see anything. Why is it so? Because there is no source of light. So it is because of the light we can see various objects around us, or you can say that light enables us to see objects. So therefore we can say that light is a form of invisible energy which gives us the sensation of sight. Sight means when we can see. So now we come to the sources of light. An object which emits light is called a source of light. An object जो कि light emit करता है. Okay. Now this source of light can be grouped under two categories. One is the natural source of light. As the name indicates, these sources of light occurs in the nature. So they are called as natural sources. What are the examples? The sun. Okay, the most natural source is the sun. It is almost 150 million kilometers away from the earth, but it gives enough light to make the day bright and warm for us. Then the stars that we see in the sky are another natural source of light. Then there is the firefly, जिसको कि हिंदी में हम लोग जुगनू कहते हैं. They also emit light. Then the lantern fishes, which are found in the deep sea, they also give out light from their body. So these are natural sources of light. Then we come to the man-made sources or the artificial sources of light. The artificial sources of light have been made by man. That is why they are called as man-made sources of light. For example, candles, lamps, earthen lamps. Earthen lamps are diya. Lanterns, gas lamps, electric bulbs, fluorescent tubes, torches, all these tube lights, they all are man-made. Okay, so that is why they are artificial sources of light. Then we come to luminous and non-luminous bodies. Luminous bodies means the objects which give out their own light are called luminous, like stars, sun, candles, bulbs. They all are luminous because they give out their own light. And non-luminous objects means the objects which do not give out light on their own. They are called as non-luminous. They can be seen only when light falls on them, like chair, car, tree, man. They all do not have that light. Okay? Moon, earth and planets are also non-luminous body. Now we come to hot and cold sources of light. The sun is the brightest and the hottest source of light for us. Fire gives out heat. A glowing bulb is hot. If you have touched a glowing bulb, it is very hot. What if we go near the stars? If we go near the stars, we will feel the heat. Stars are also hot, but because they are very far from us, we don't feel their heat. Okay? Then there are some sources of light which are cold, like a फायरफ्लाई जो अभी हमने बताया था ना, जुगनू. ओके, इट इज़ अ कोल्ड सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. A tube light, that means if you touch them, it is not hot. A CFL, these are all cold sources of light. That means they give out light, but on touching it, it is not hot. Unlike bulb, bulb is very hot if you touch it. Okay, children. Then the transparent, translucent, and opaque objects we'll study in the next class. For today, we'll wind up, children. Thank you and have a beautiful day.